So we are in a severe thunderstorm warning right now, which I don't think we're gonna. Well, I don't know. Now it's turning dark. The sky was sunny, no clouds, no nothing. It's getting a little dark off that way, lighter off that way, and they're showing stuff up here on the TV, which that's not real near me. But Creston, I'm up over. I'm up over that way. Anyway, guys, I've been working on. Got to get. I think what we're gonna do is out here where the barn was. Gonna plant that to seed that down to grass, and where the chicken house was, seed that down to grass. And then far out there, I think my camera's messing up, but out there on my finger, it's not focusing where I want it to. Out there, I think we're gonna plant that and try to just plant it, well, this year to beans. Spray it and plant it. Probably not gonna grow very good because it looks like a lot of, it's not black dirt, it's like clay or something, but wouldn't have to mess with that. But I have been working on this darn thing for seeding grass. This is my grass seeder, and got it all oiled up. Everything's working okay. This tire though was completely flat. I wish I would have made a video on the whole thing. Getting this tire on the rim, tubeless tire. I put a ratchet strap around it, and it took a long time, but I finally got it pumped up. But it's leaking around the rim, right up in here, and there's some on the other side too. And I actually looked some things up on YouTube how to fix that. And one, I've been spraying. You can use soapy water, but I've been spraying Windex on it. And I think we're in pretty good shape. This thing was bubbling up like a bubble machine. I think we're doing pretty good. I watched some videos. You can do that. Let the air pressure go out, and well, they're saying spray WD-40, but I've got liquid wrench, and so I did that. And right now I've got about 20 pounds of pressure in that tire, and then take this metal brush and just scrape all up along in here, and it seems to be helping. I think we're going to be okay. So I'm going to go get grass seed tomorrow, and I don't know if I'm going to seed down the where the barn was and where the chicken house was. I don't know if I'm going to do that tomorrow. I don't know. It depends on what the weather's going to do, but I think we're in good shape. I can pull this. This thing is just, it's gear driven off of the wheels. Pick this up here. And it's gear driven off of the wheels. Got this little lever here that opens that up and closes it. So I think that'll work okay. So that's what I'm up to today. Just I'd put something out there for you. Jody's up in the house, and somebody commented we just give a Jody update every time I do a video. She's doing good. She's doing great. Her knee's doing good, and we're gonna start cooking outside here pretty soon. As soon as this darn weather straightens out. But I was talking to Dad, and he's like, "We're gonna start field cultivating Oh, it is getting darker out. You know, the sky's dark. That compared to that, we got some weather moving in. Um, Field cultivating the old corn ground, going to beans, just because running the run the sprayer over that is a lot better if you just field cultivate it. So he thought we'd probably do that in the next couple of days, and then we'll be planting here pretty soon. Right now, I looked up, ground temperature is only like 40 something degrees, so probably be a little bit before we do that. Need to get it up to like 60 degrees before you start planting. It's thundering out right now. Buddy and Jesse are up in the house. Jody's up in the house. We're actually having chili tonight, but I've just been working on this darn thing. This thing is, oh, it's fought me. It. I wish I made a video. It really took a lot to get that stupid tire back on there. It's still leaking a little bit, but I think it'll work. Even if that tire was flat, I think I could drag it around the yard and spread grass out. The other side isn't too bad. So anyway, guys, hope you're having a good night, and I hope we don't get. We're in a tornado watch until 10, I believe. So hopefully we don't get any of those. You don't need any more stuff going on here. But anyway, guys, hope you're having a good night, and probably make a video, maybe seeding the yard down, dragging. There's an old harrow. Old harrow out. It's over against the barn there somewhere. It's not very good, but it's enough to drag some grass seed around, and we'll get that going. And I walked out over. See, that's not black ground, black dirt. I just don't think it's gonna do very good. But get that seeded up, get that seeded up, and I think we'll be okay. Well, as far as the yard goes, I don't know. We'll see. There's something black out there in the field. I don't know what that is. There's also a gas can that they left here when they tore the barn down. It's out there. I need to go get that too. But anyway. All right, guys. Hope you're having a good night. I'm just trying to put something out and get this piece of stuff going. But yeah, it looks like tornado watch. Well, must not be too certain. Well, the wind just picked up. Anyway, guys, I'm gonna head into the house and eat some chili, and we'll catch you next time. Bye bye.